At the beginning of the game, you can create a healing circle which will give you the ability to heal all players from anywhere on the map, regardless of how close you are. To do this, go to Tactical View, use your multi-tool to create a circle around all players. You can see how many people you've got. It's circled in red here. Assign them to Group A, click Repair, and now you've got the ability to heal. During gameplay, click on Map, go to Group A, click Repair, and that's it. So the best way to use this is either when somebody asks for healing or during your respawn cycle. You can pull it up while you're respawning and heal people.